train journey from Waterford to Dublin was 2 hours 15 minutes, but I think it was six stops. Fairly comfortable. I'm just seeing the angle of this road. I'm not liking it. I know I'm gonna have to walk. That's Thomas Street. At the old city centre. Yes, I think I remember something about this on Google Maps. Must be a parade going on or something. All the bears. Or do you just have people fenced off for the weekends? As you can see, a lot of people viewing my channel are not subscribed. It would be super cool if you could subscribe to my channel. It costs absolutely nothing. You don't get that for nothing in the world. And if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe. It would be just cool to help the channel go. So if you're feeling kind and generous and want to give your thumb a little bit of exercise, click that subscribe button. The blue house. The Glen, we're on the Glen. Ballybritain. This little park. So I'm going to walk continuously around Waterford. So it's going to be probably a 5 or 6 part video. So if you like this one, stay tuned. Next week we should have another one out. Or sorry, tomorrow. Usually do them day by day now. I will take a little wander around this way. Beer and tobacco. It's probably from back in the day where you can smoke indoors. There's an off license. There's your Chinese takeaway for after the alcohol. Fitzpatrick's Medical closed on a Sunday apparently. The other pharmacy closed on a Sunday. Yeah. Probably picked the wrong day to come down if I needed some pharmacy. A lot of people just seem to be sitting in their cars chilling around the park. Look back around and head towards the city centre. See what's on in town. I think this is the highest point in this town. Never actually been in here. I've been through here several times, gone to Dungarvan, but never actually been in Waterford. So today you accompany me on my first time in Waterford. And I'm wondering about that road there. Looks like a true road, so we might go down this road down here. Follow this down. See where this leads us back into the town. Sorry about the wind. Not much I can do about that. There we go. Wind's gone. I do apologise on behalf of Mother Nature. It's very rude sometimes, always interrupting me. Back uphill again. Let's see what's going on down this road. Some nice colourful houses. Yeah, these would be very old houses. That seems to be well maintained. Ooh, we had some graffiti down here. I think I've never seen this too. Nice little corner with graffiti marks on it. I've portrayed in my other video that I do like artwork and murals. I just despise tags. People putting their names on beautiful work, destroying people's hard work with a few seconds. This doesn't do it for me. Right. I really wonder how they designed the roads with the houses going back these days. Like, look at this house, right on the corner, half built in, half built out. Nice artwork. Right. I think I was down that road a second ago. I think I was down that road, yeah, and I came up and then I went around. Yeah. So I'm across here. Check out this nice artwork. It's only a short little bit of a stretch. We'll walk down the road, back into the main city, and then walk around a bit more. Yeah, very respectful. Nobody's tagged. Very nice. Ooh. And then if you want to scan and donate, that should technically work. If you'd like to donate to the artists, I'm sure there's a good cause behind it. Beautiful old houses. Hopefully getting that and the sun's not blurring them out. So I noticed a lot now during the 2008 boom with the Celtic Tiger. A lot of apartment blocks were built quickly, and it seems that the paint used for the externals was terrible. After a few years, it starts to erode and decay. That's the word. Nothing down that road. Take a little stroll down this way back to the main village and go into a quay. If you jumped into this video and you think what am I talking about, you can go back to the previous one. This is going to be a few part episode. I'm just walking around the town straight away. Oh, car coming. There is some nice work there. Tully bar. Sort. I think this is the same artist again. Another donate screen on it. It's very cool looking. Looks like some food as well, some street food. Nice. That is my lunch sorted for later on. Right. That's a cool mural on the wall there. Very artistic too. I'm gonna have to find out. Sorry for the wind. Looks like a high street thing. Christmas decorations already out. Or they're from last year. I will be doing a Christmas video this year because we don't have the restrictions in town. So stay tuned for that one. That'll be probably coming in January at the rate I'm going with videos. Anyone tell me what's wrong with this name? Frank English Asian Market. Oh, that's a cool one there. That there is beautiful. The intricacy of that, it's just so detailed. That's fantastic. Let's see if we can give a shout out to this guy. Right. Art by dankitchener.com 2018. Shout out to this guy for some awesome work. Look at that, it's very coarse as well. Check this out again. Very colourful, and you know what? Shout out to the community for not putting their dirty tags on this beautiful work. That's phenomenal. That is amazing. Shout out to this guy big time. I was a fan of intricate work like that. Right. I think this is the road I walked up eventually, so I'm going to just continue down this way. There's a naughty shop. You know, you always have to have one. Spice it up. Giggity. Sorry about the wind, sorry about the wind. coming a bit stronger here. I'm going to try turn and see what it's like now. Try for this guy to go through. It'll probably look cool. Yeah. Back to this street. Hoodie up because it's a bit chilly. We are October now, so it's officially autumn. Bring you back down. The train station is over there, so I have to make it back at the end of the night. It's back to the main street. I think it's the main street. It's the main intersection. So if you're taking the train, it's back that way. If you're taking a bus, you'll be stopped here. If you want to continue on further down, you'll go on. So depending on where you're swapping your bus to.